How to add Amazon affiliate link to Instagram story. So in order to do this, you first need to head over and make sure that you have an affiliate link onto your keyboard or your keyboard. So from in there, what we can do is we just need to create a story. Head over and then click onto this plus icon on the your story option. And then you can either use your camera or you can also choose from the photos that you have from there. In my case, I'll head over and choose in here this one. Now into this, we just need to add a link icon. To do that, we need to head over and click onto these three dots and you have in here this options. You can also click onto this icon right here and you can add filters, you can expand it and unexpand it. Now into this case, we need to head over and add in here a caption. So just copy or paste in here the actual URL that we have. And then from in there, you also have the option to add in here some more things. Now, in order to share it, just head over and click on share option right here in order to post it. So that's how you add Amazon affiliate link to Instagram story. I hope this video helped you, and if it did, feel free to like and subscribe. It really helps support the channel. And if you got a question, just drop it in the comments.